Okay, hello everyone, this is Jason and Joel again, and tonight on the menu is chicken roll up.
Okay, and so some of the ingredients we're gonna need, obviously gonna need some chicken. Use chicken breast, green
Skinless and
pepper,
boneless chicken breast.
skinless and boneless chicken breast, a green pepper, some spaghetti sauce, tomato sauce, whatever you got, some Kraft singles cheese, and some cream cheese. So the first thing let's do is let's preheat the oven to 425. Okay, so next thing you want to do is take your cream cheese and you want to use 4 ounces of cream cheese. So this can's 8, so just half of this, and mix it in with your chopped up bell pepper. I think I might just use my hand.
Oh, to mix it?
Yeah, it's kind of hard, yeah, with just a spoon. And I think I might use all the cream cheese. So you just get out how many ever pieces of chicken you want. I think this recipe calls for 2 pieces. And what you do is you get your chicken and you slice it in half, like not widthwise. You wanna do it through the chicken so it makes a thinner slice of chicken. Try to just evenly like that right under your hand. Okay, next thing you wanna do, if you have a meat pounder, you kinda wanna like pound the meat. If you don't have a meat pounder, I think you just use your hand and mash it down a little. And depending on how big your slice of chicken is, you want to just put the cheese on there. Depending on if it's a small chicken, then you can tear the cheese in half.
One
I like cheese.
one cheese per chicken?
Yep, and if you need to like cut the cheese in half, you can if it's too small or if the chicken's too small. Is you go ahead and you put some of your pepper and what is this, cream cheese mixture on it, like that. You can put how much ever you want. If you like a lot, you can put a lot. If you like a little, you can put a little.
I've been licking the cream cheese off my finger. It tastes so good.
I know.
Alright.
Okay, so after you spray your pan with your cooking oil, you want to roll up your chicken and mixture. I mean, it's probably not going to close, so do the best you can. And it's okay if the mixture seeps out through the sides. And then you want to place it in your dish with the open side down, so the seams open side down. You want to do that to all of the chicken that you filled up. Take a spoon. And you cover your chicken with the spaghetti sauce. Again, feel free to use as much or as little as you want. And we want to stick it in the oven for 20 minutes. Okay, and we're back. So we just The chicken was just in the oven at 425 for 20 minutes. Now you want to take it out of the oven and we're going to finish it off.
How are we going to do that?
Did you take yours out of the oven?
Yeah.
Oh, I didn't see. Sorry. Don't need to be so bossy. Okay, so want to uncover the foil. Take the foil off. Okay, so we just put the chicken back in the oven for 3 to 5 minutes, topped with some more cheese, and it's smelling pretty good.
And now we can eat it.
Yay!
Now we're all done.
Yeah, so you can serve with rice. Jason's having rice. I'm having noodles. You pair it with whatever you want. So, hope you guys enjoy it.
Thanks for watching. Bye.